ready for my next vacation. I am ready to use my Hilton Honors Points.
Yes.
I do not know where I want to go.
Okay, you know what? I am ready to help because I am here for you and you. Because this is Hilton Honors How To, where we answer every question you have about Hilton Honors. And today, we're gonna cover how to use the Points Explorer tool. Because sometimes you just need a little help planning where to go next, you know what I'm saying?
I do know what you're saying, especially when there are Hilton properties all over the world.
Girl, so many options. And with the Points Explorer tool, you can narrow it down based on what you're looking for and how many points you want to spend. First, let's go to the Hilton Honors Points Explorer page.
Let's see where I can go.
All right, you see that slider right there? Choose how many points per night you want to spend on your next trip. Below the slider, you can add in whatever details you want. Have a specific location in mind? Great. We thinking beach vacay? All-inclusive resort? Some golf?
Yeah, I'm actually kind of feeling the need to be pampered, so I'm gonna look at these all-inclusive resorts.
All right, I get you. You really know how to vacation, don't you? Just put in whatever you want and click Discover Destinations and see what your options are.
Yes, time to start planning. I mean, look at this spa.
Okay, wow. Now I'm starting to think that an all-inclusive resort does sound pretty ideal. Hey, where will you go? Start exploring with the Hilton Honors Points Explorer tool. Let me see that slide.
Look at this menu. Do you see that?
Looking for a way to earn some more points? Click on that video to learn how to earn bonus points using promotions, and make sure to subscribe to Hilton's YouTube channel for more tips.